I love walking through the garden. The lovely colours of green, the many different plants. Somehow it's just so peaceful. And you just can't help but wonder how incredible God is when we look at some of these plants. Yet this week we learnt that not all garden experiences are so peaceful. We learnt how Jesus had spent time in the Garden of Gethsemane, where he was praying. He was struggling with what was about to happen. He knew that God loved him. He knew this was part of the plan. But he had to show humility at that point and be willing to give up what was rightfully his so we could benefit from that. But that's a real challenge for us, because so much of our lives today is about us, is about what we want, what's going to work for me, for my family, for my situation. Yet our challenge is to think of others. Our challenge is to be humble and not always have to be first. You see, Jesus didn't make the decision at the Garden of Gethsemane to go to the cross. He decided way before that, when God was number one in his life. And here's our challenge as families today. What are some of the activities that you do as a family that you consider that a priority? Do these activities move you closer to where you want to go in your relationship with Jesus? Or are they conflicting? Do they drag your attention away? As families, we have to take an inventory every so often about the things that we're doing so we can create a rhythm that's leading us to where we want to go. Jesus clearly had a road towards the cross, and he was making key decisions along the way that was clearly evident that he was giving up his right to be God in order to give us a gift we couldn't get any other way. I wonder how our families are showing a response to God. I wonder how we, by our choices, are showing the world that we live for a God that is real, a God that is a creator of the very environment that we love so much. So here's the challenge for this week. As a family, note down your activities. See which activities move you closer to being the family that you want to be. Have a check and see if any of these are moving you in any other direction. When we decide on our priorities ahead of time, it makes the decision later on much easier to come to. We say yes to God now. These are the things we want to put in place as a family. Then when other conflicting things come along, we can say no and we can keep focused. You see, it's all about putting God first. So how are you going to do that this week? Decide what you're going to do it, and then share your experiences, because humility is about putting others first by giving up what you think you deserve. So let's give it a go this week. Have fun with it, and let's see humility building in our families as God works in us and through us to change our world.